This is up for auction here. We got a 1998 Carolton stump grinder, a 3500 tow behind. We're gonna walk around it and I'm gonna show you. It's a 3500 tow behind with remote control, good tires. I just replaced this belt in here. It's the cutter belt, which you can zoom in right here and see. It's brand new, just been put on, no hours on it. Okay, put brand new cutter bearings on it. Got a brand new teeth. Well, not brand new, decent teeth. Brand new poly chain. New starter. New wires. New plugs. The machine shows, I believe it's got 1,800 hours on it. 1,431 hours. When the motor was rebuilt at 1,430. So it's got an hour on the new motor. Okay, we're going to fire it off and show you the oil pressure here. There you go. Okay. It idle and it shows 10. He's going to put it in gear and show you. Go ahead and put it in gear. Absolutely no blow-by. The motor has about 1 hour on it. New oil pump, oil filter, everything. The only reason we're selling it, it blowed up with us. We rebuilt it, and we found a bigger machine while this one was getting rebuilt. So we do not need two. And anybody who gets this machine will get a great machine. Thank you and happy bidding.